FulLand has many years of experience designing and building a whole range of machining centers of different sizes and styles to meet market needs. They have won many awards for their machining centers and have now designed this DMC 4025, the latest of their huge double-column machining centers to meet industry needs. The DMC 4025 holds more than 10 international patents under its covers, producing a truly remarkable machine with some very special design features. FulLand uses the highly respected FEA, Finite Element Analysis method in the design and development of its products. This numerical approach method tests the static rigidity and thermal characteristics of each machine design, allowing the structure of the machine to be designed for maximum rigidity where it is needed, and also ensuring that structural temperature is tightly controlled. This allows FulLand to produce a machine which will maintain its accuracy over a very long time for all types of machining. This machine is all about rigidity and accuracy, and the design features show this clearly. The side door on this machine is designed to provide an extra wide access area. And this is in keeping with the overall size of the machine. Additionally, it is very stable and features CE standard locking for operational safety protection. Additionally, the safety covers all around this machine are extra high as standard to ensure a clean, safe working environment. The DMC 4025 can be fitted with customer-specified disc or chain type automatic tool magazines with a maximum capacity of 120 tools. On the outside of this machine, we have the gantry, which ensures safe access for all inspection and maintenance procedures. This machine has rigidity designed into it from the ground up, and the base, vertical columns, bridge and head all incorporate this critical design feature to ensure rigidity and accuracy are maintained throughout the machine. This is a very large machine, and FulLand insists on an ultra-stable 30-ton base design using 2 ball screws, 3 linear roller guides and movable support seats to control the work table movement. This avoids creep and maintains the overall accuracy of the machine, even under prolonged heavy cutting of very large work pieces. This work table preserves stability and accuracy, especially under heavy cutting loads, and it features 8 blocks running on each of the 3 linear guides. This is a very large machine with a heavy work table, and FulLand insists on using 2 ball screws and 3 linear guides to control work table movement. The 50mm arch chamfer on these extra-wide columns is not just an elegant design feature, but this too enhances the rigidity of the overall structure. The bridge on the DMC 4025 features 3 linear guides for ultimate stability. This means that traverse speed is enhanced compared to boxways allowing for a 25% increase in machining rate. Additionally, the isosceles triangle design of the saddle bridge interface matches with the 3 linear guides to ensure the multi-directional forces transmitted from the spindle head during cutting are perfectly evenly dissipated. This is then coupled with the 15-degree inclination angle on the interface between the bridge and saddle, moving the center of gravity over the bridge and producing very stable, accurate and rapid traverse movement. The head on this machine features an adjustable hydraulic balance device to allow easy Z-axis movement and rapid positioning to ensure perfect conditions for highly accurate operations. There is also the super rigid box design of this head, which is coupled with 4 linear guides to provide radial and axial stability and strength. This head also features a patented enhanced direct drive spindle transmission interface design, which allows for the higher torque of direct drive, but reduces vibration and thus maintains overall accuracy and enhances surface finish. This is the direct drive BT50 12,000 RPM spindle, and its features include low noise, low thermal generation, high efficiency, high torque transmission. Additionally, for even higher speeds, a built-in model is also available. FulLand provides a range of optional heads for the spindle, including universal head, 90-degree manual head, 90-degree head, 5-face head, simultaneous 5-axis head. There is cooling provided throughout the DMC 4025, including oil-cooled guideways, ball screws, spindle, spindle motor and bridge. Additionally, there is a thermal compensation system which automatically adjusts the machine to compensate for thermal deviations which could affect cutting accuracy. The highly efficient chip flush system is an important feature too, as the effective, fast removal of chip material is key for avoiding thermal expansion of the base, which could affect operational accuracy. With all of these features for rigidity and accuracy, speed is still very fast for a machine of this size. With 15 meters per minute of movement on the X, Y and Z axis to ensure efficient and fast cutting, reducing machining costs. The DMC 4025 is the latest in a series of multi-award winning products from FulLand. Through its innovative design process, patented design features, rigidity and accuracy, it is an excellent choice for all multi-purpose machining operations.